they were just filming in, going along their ways, in the subways and on the streets. And
Yeah.
as you said, they hit a camera so folks, they didn't worry about releases or waivers or
No, I don't think that was something that they would chase. I mean, because in many instances, it's almost like newsreel footage. You're looking at not prominent individuals, but just mass amounts of people that are going down into the subway or just walking. It was just a couple of times when it seemed like people were stagnant, that they were standing still as if they had been told to do so when something was going by, usually Don Taylor rushing from towards the end when he's going through the streets after having been accosted by Ted de Corsia. It's just kind of amazing that some of the scenes and the amount of people that are involved, and incorporating the actors into this setting. Any other comment or question? I do appreciate you coming here tonight. And by all means, pay attention. There's 3 more films in this series. As I said earlier, it's The Red Shoes, The Treasure of Sierra Madre, and Oliver Twist. And I would definitely like to thank Jana Brown and Bob Pingree for joining me here and adding to the comments that were made. And by all means, Jana Brown will be here in about a month, maybe sitting in a similar chair with Perry King, and they're going to have a little bit of a premiere here of The Divide. I think you'll find that to be quite a interesting film. And she wrote it. Thanks, folks. Good night.
Thank you.